What's good, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I'm back, guys, with another video. If you're here for the first time, please right now go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I am back with DWP Digital Wealth Pros. I want to do a quick review on it, then want to show you some more results. Okay, with not just me making sales, but one of our co-op people have made a sale where they've joined our co-op and they have received their first payment. Okay, so we'll get into that. So let's check it out. So if you're looking for a way to make $200 commissions, $400 commissions, and $800 commissions, I've got the perfect system for you. Automated system, okay, on autopilot. I like this system because, number one, they've got a call center, okay, that's going to close all your sales for you. They have the sales funnel already set up for you. They have marketing strategies in your back office, okay. They have digital products that you can actually go back there and learn from, okay. And then the sales funnel gives you your analytics so you can kind of see where your traffic is coming from, which pages are converting. They also have an autoresponder that's already set up if you want to use theirs. If you don't, you can connect your autoresponder via Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp. Any of those would work as well. And you get paid instantly. That's the other thing that I love. Who loves instant payments? I know I do, right? So all you need to do is promote the opportunity, okay? So the call center is going to close the sales for you. So when people call the 800 number, give them your ID. They'll take care of answering all the questions. You don't have to worry about any of that. Then you're going to get an email from the call center, okay, saying they're on the phone working with one of your leads and that you got a payment on the way. So you never even have to speak to people. That's what I love about this, okay? Awesome system. 95% of it is automated. Okay, which is what I explained to you just now. Okay, you're not having to speak to people. They go to the capture page, they put in their email. This video right here explains the program, so you don't have to. 7-minute video. Okay, and then they're going to get an email follow-up, some email follow-up series that's going to follow up with them to remind them about the program. Okay, and if they decide they want to go ahead and do this, they can pick up the phone. The 800 number is listed on this page, and they have any questions, they're going to call the number, give your ID. The call center is going to close the sale. Okay, here's the number right here, 800-232-2109. My ID is 442-89634. Call them, ask them all the questions you want to ask, but you want to watch the video first. Okay, this is the first step. Watch this, jot down your questions, read over this, then call this 800 number. They'll close the sale for you. Okay, and then you get paid any way you want. You set up your payment method, whether it's PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, credit card. If you want folks to just send you a money order in the mail, they can do that too. Whatever your heart desire. Okay, so this is a great system. Okay, for you newbies out there, just drive traffic to your capture page. Let the system do the selling and telling. The call center close them out. You get paid. Can't get any easier than that. Okay, and this is our website, our sales page. Check it out. It's pretty cool. Has you there. You can put your picture in there if you choose to do that. And your ID is here. So when someone goes here, everything is right here at their fingertips. Okay. So, simple system. All right, guys. Now, what we do know is that, yes, you still have to promote it. Okay? You've got to get people over to the capture page. That's your job. That's everybody's job. All right? Now, we find that to be, some people have found that to be challenging. And I am affiliated with the Elite Marketing Team where they will do the marketing for you. So, join our team. The first 30 days, we'll do the marketing for you. And if you like the results of what you're getting, then you can join the co-op. Okay, I'll put the information in the description so you can go check it out and find out what you need to do. And for folks that's out there, we've had people sign up with the co-op that's already joined DWP and they haven't found success yet, so they've joined our co-op, which is $100 a month. You can cancel that at any time, okay? So try it out, 30 days. If you like the results, then you can renew again for another 100. But for everybody else that have not joined, the first 30 days will be free if you decide to partner with me, okay? So that's how it's done, guys. Let me show you the back office so you can see we actually do have digital products. That is the product. So let's go take a look at that. Okay, I am in my dashboard here. Let me move this over so you can see. Hold on. Right here, I'm in my dashboard. All right, it's me, my dashboard, my ID 442-89634. All right, guys. So here's your dashboard, guys. Here's all the capture pages. They have them right here for you. Just pick one, send your traffic there, let the system collect the leads or connect your own autoresponder. But right here, your products, okay, the bronze level is $297. If you want to collect $200 commissions, $297 to get that one. And here's the products. The gold level is $497. That allows you to collect $400 commissions, okay, if someone purchases that level. Then we have the platinum level, which is $997, and you're able to collect $800 commissions. But look at all the digital products back here. You go back here and actually log in, guys, and learn something from these products, okay? So here's your dashboard. You can see your leads right here. This is the CRM manager. All right, and then members resources. If you click there, they have postcards, they have the letters, the email series to connect your email autoresponder to it. All you gotta do is copy these letters. They have solo ad campaigns back here and traffic sources, okay? Plug into this, okay, and get your business off and running. But again, if you guys don't want to do your marketing, then you can join the elite marketing team. Will do the marketing for you, okay? With that being said, the link is in the description, www.earnwithpandora.com. Get started with me. Check out the video. If you have any questions, you can give me a call after you've watched this, okay? All right, guys, let me show you the payment proofs that came in on Friday. I'll show you mine, and I'll show you one of our co-op members, just so you can see that the co-op does work and it's not just me showing payments. All right, so hang on. Okay, on Friday, May 6th, right here, as you can see, move this down a little bit, there was a $200 payment I received. Okay, this is through the marketing system, the Done For You marketing. Okay, that's mine. Let me show you one of the co-op folks that received their first payment since they joined the opportunity. Okay, so check it out. All right, guys, we're going to be completely transparent here. We have nothing to hide. So Marcus sent me an email, sent our email. We have a box just for the co-ops. All right, on the 15th of April, as you can see right here, Pandora, I'm interested in getting the co-op traffic for DWP. I'm ready. So he said he had his $100. He joined. Okay, then he sent me a testimony. As you can see right here on Friday, right here, here's my testimony results. I made the investment of $100 about 3 weeks ago, which I just showed you that. I received my first DWP payment of $200 by Cash App. I like how the advertising is done for me on autopilot. You do have to be patient, but the results will come. I'm going to make another investment to keep the momentum going. Thanks, Pandora, for sharing this traffic source. I'll keep sharing my results as inspiration that this traffic system works. There you have it. Okay, guys, so there it is. So the co-op is working. For other members, we had another person that received theirs as well. I'm waiting on him to send me an email from his payment that he received also from the co-op. And the co-op folks are folks that has already joined, okay, someone else, and they haven't found success, so they're joining our co-op so that we can do the marketing for them. Okay, so if you're out there and you've joined DWP, you haven't gotten results yet, and you'd like to be a part of the co-op, the information is in the description. Go check it out. Send $100. We'll invoice you, and then you can get in the co-op as well. For everybody that have not joined yet, you got 30 days of free marketing. Join us. 30 days of free marketing we'll do for you on your behalf. If you like the results, then you can join the co-op as well. Okay, guys? Thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, see you on the next video, guys. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.